I'm here today having a look at the brand new Nissan X-Trail. It's a fantastic 5-seater SUV for families. Let's take a look around it. It's great to see inbuilt window blinds in the higher spec models of this X-Trail to shield those rear passengers from the sun. The interior of the X-Trail has been made slightly larger, so it will be interesting to see how many child seats fit across this second row. There are Isofix in the two outer second row seats and top tether anchorages on the back of those seats too, but that central top tether anchorage is still in the ceiling above the third row heads. The boot of this X-Trail looks like it will definitely hold any prams or strollers that you need, and I look forward to doing my testing. It's got these great dividers in the boot base, so you can section off the boot to carry different amounts of shopping and things like that. The interior is up to date with technology and a new 10.8-inch head-up display and a 12.3-inch media screen with wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a smart rear-view mirror in the higher spec models. There are some great storage solutions for families in the new Nissan X-Trail. I especially like the butterfly opening central console box, which allows rear passengers to access it too. Also, the bridge central console that gives the grown-ups somewhere for their bag. The X-Trail has aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which is great for rear passenger comfort. Nissan's Pro Pilot Safety Suite is available on all but the base model variants and features all the driver assist safety we expect of a family car. I haven't driven the new Nissan X-Trail yet. I'm looking forward to testing it out on the bitumen and off-road. The four-wheel drive models are said to be suitable for driving on dirt, ice and snow. The towing capacity has been increased to 2 tonnes, which is great news for family adventures.